3, 2, 1, go. What's up? My name's Courtney. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I thought it'd be really fun to do sort of like a vlog style, so we're trying something new. We're going to go today to try on some bridesmaid dresses. I thought it would be kind of fun to compare the dresses that we tried on in the Lulu's try-on haul with dresses under $100, and I thought it'd be kind of fun to compare the quality, price, colors, and everything in person. I know we're gonna go to Windsor in the mall, and we'll kind of see and go from there if we're gonna go anywhere else. I'm bringing along my two sisters, Abby and Brianna. Brianna doesn't know we're going anywhere yet, but I first wanted to say thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. So they did send me this beautiful daisy piece and this choker necklace, and they are perfect for stacking. I'm so excited about these. They also sent me this pair of earrings, which I thought was perfect for Are you trying to go back there? I thought it looked so much like two wedding bands and that it looked so cute together, kind of like a double hoop style. And then they did also send me a fourth item, which are the Rocks Hoops earrings, which I think they are so stunning. They're a little bit larger than the hoops I tried on in my last video. I'll put a little clip here of what that looked like so you can kind of compare. I think it'd be pretty to wear these in the first hole, and then the smaller hoops and the same rock style in the second hole. So I have these, and then I also brought a few pairs of earrings and Ana Luisa jewelry for my two sisters to wear when they try on the bridesmaid dresses, because this jewelry is perfect for your bridal party. They're high-end pieces for a good quality and really good price. The prices start at only $39, so it's very affordable, and the company is so sustainable. It just feels really nice to support a company that puts so much thought and effort into the ethics of their company. Also, if you're a bride and you're looking for something to gift your bridesmaids, I know a lot of brides do little gift boxes for their bridal party on the day of their wedding. You could always include a little piece of jewelry that they could wear, and it could either be all matching or all different. Ana Luisa has really fast delivery, so you can get your items in just a few days if your wedding is in crunch time, or you can plan ahead and obviously get it way before. So if you're looking for jewelry for yourself as a bride or your wedding party, make sure you check out Ana Luisa. I do have a discount code, which is Hanaway10, and check out the link in the description below so you can shop from Ana Luisa. So let's go pick up my sisters, get them in their Ana Luisa jewelry, and we'll get shopping. So I know I said we were going to do more of a vlog style, but because of the loud music playing in the background, I decided it would be best to kind of do a voice overlay and talk you through each of the dresses. I really liked the fit of this first dress. I think that it fit both of their bodies really nicely, and they've said this dress was incredibly comfortable. The cinching on the side was really cute, and the back was really nice. I will say this one wasn't as formal as some of the other dresses, but they did say that they really liked how this one felt, and this one was only $70 compared to $100 with the Lulu's dresses. The next dress was this really pretty sparkly blue dress, and it was $65. I thought this was a really nice tight strapless option, but it wasn't exactly what I was going for. This next dress is a really pretty floral dress, but it was actually $240. It would be a nice dress if you had a higher budget. It was really good quality. Next, Brianna just wanted to try on this sparkly dress for fun. I thought it was really cute and it fit her really well and her personality perfectly. Next, I actually really love this next dress. I think this dress was about $100. I really love the color and the fit of this dress. I think it flattered her body really nicely. It's definitely one to consider. Next, this pink dress was only $40, but the quality was a little bit less great than the other dresses. And the Ana Luisa jewelry looks perfect with this next dress. This dress was $119. This one would be a really nice bridesmaid dress, and I feel like it was pretty comfortable for her and flowy and really formal. I really like the sparkle detail and the beading detail. And then this was a similar dress in yellow for Brianna. This one was $129. It was a very similar style to the other dress, which is why we decided to try this one on too. And yeah, that one was really cute.
So we just finished at Windsor, and I will say that the first dress that we tried on, the blue dress that had like the scrunchie on the hip, was so comfortable. I think more comfortable than the dresses from Lulu's, and it was cheaper too. So that is definitely a top one. If they have it in the right color, I might be ordering that one.
Which
Make
one was
sure
your
you
favorite?
like and subscribe.
Which dress
was your favorite?
I think the first one, and then like the purple sparkly dress.
The purple
So the
sparkly
blue one as well with the tie. It was comfortable, huh?
I would say that cheaper dresses were lower quality, but a little bit more expensive comparative to Lulu prices. Those dresses were pretty good quality and seemed to have less alterations needed.
I'd say the majority of the dresses at Lulu's were better quality, but then two of the ones that we just tried on at Windsor were my favorite.
But then again, some of them were only $40 compared to $100. So
now I'm gonna go to Nordstrom.
Nordstrom?
Nordstrom.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah, I did go straight to
Is this 12?
That's
Too big.
That's cute.
Stand by it so we can see.
I love Barbie.
It's cute. You like that one? Why?
Because it's like all sparkly. It looks pretty cool, and I think I would like it.
Kind of matches your mask.
Yeah. It kind of matches my mask.
Ooh. Do you like this one?
Yeah. Can I model it?
Yeah, model it. They didn't have as many dresses in Nordstrom as I have seen in the past, but this dress was really cute. This one was $200, so this one was trying on more for fun, not really as a consideration for a bridesmaid dress, but it was still fun to kind of try them on and play around, kind of like play dress up for the day. Ooh, wow. This color looks really pretty on you. And this one of Abby's, this one actually was a Lulu's dress that we found inside Nordstrom, which I thought was pretty funny. I really love the back on this dress, and I think it was so cute. This pink dress was definitely not a bridesmaid dress, but more of like a ball gown, really. It was so flattering on her, and she just looked gorgeous. Three, two, one, go. Oh, okay. Ready? Take two. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Good job. I hope you enjoyed today's video and looking at some bridesmaid dresses with us. Let me know which one was your favorite down in the comments below. Also, don't forget to check out the description and shop Ana Luisa and use my discount code for a discount off your purchase. Thanks so much for hanging out with me and being a part of today's video. I hope to see you in another video real soon. Thanks. Bye.